This is a message to all those people who gang up against me in America. I told you 6 women from Ebuka Obi, na Dallas, Texas, went to the person that hosted me and threatened him. Why this one? And the man stood his ground and said, I will give access to anybody I want to host and free. And they threatened him that we're going to report him to daddy. Report him because of hosting a priest. Okay, and they didn't stop there. They said they were going to write petition against me. I'm not going to come to the Diocese of Fort Worth again. I will never do program for them again. The program that I did, I sweated. Everybody was happy. Everybody, as in the community, experienced the type of joy they ever experienced, that they even throw party for me. When I can say, oh, Mungwa ge lose, or Father ge lose, may I say na Father get better. Well, when did we misplace the priority? When did the priest become a trash that is to be thrown out to Muhammad film? So I want to let you know, those of you that say they want to plan against him. You see, this ministry, this Father Nwebe Joy, any of you, one can work or something, then blackmail people. You can imagine if they could go that far in blackmailing Father Ejike Mbaka, who assisted the ministry, their so-called ministry at the beginning. You can imagine what they can do to me. So they specialize in making sure that anybody that doesn't have information about how bad Father Nwebe Joy is, they give it to the person and bias the person and project their negative energy. But I want to tell them that if they venture to try anything, God will expose them. Anybody they send against me for assassination or anything, as the message ringing, I get the person or got born. Oh, I cause the land, I cause the air, I cause every element in our land to be against you. Nkaka unu geji mana chukwude, nkaka unu geji mana nede nsade egwu. Onye obunu nchori idili with you. Cheke no onye na nede nso no na covenant. Cheke no obuegba. Obuegba rapunia, jeni take correction na enyo no. Unu bu amuma na lovet ye go moto no ye miwe. Or cast ya, go and pray about it and take it. Don't say it's priest. Oh yes, mbase kusina. Instead of unu get me advice, you take advice in the last year. Unu chowe to this blackmail. Eh? Na Father bless America. No, na bridge. Okpuru bridge kan naralo. Okwa America biva. Eh? No okpuru bridge kan lalo. Enwe ozwe bentinelo. And those women that went to Dallas, went to my host, 6 of you. If you don't come out, if you don't apologize, on 6 of you, yeah, I pray for you. I pray mercy for you. If you don't even apologize to me, go to confession, 6 of you. A priest that came on apostolic mission and ministered, and you are going to, because of what? Because I told somebody to shut up and stop talking rubbish. Stop castigating the church. Ministry. If you try anything against me, the Lord will teach you a bitter lesson. Enough is enough. Never militate against me. They go as far as even talking to certain priests they are close to. Father, don't listen to anybody. The priestly brotherhood is bigger than you people should not allow them to divide us. So I pray that God will grant all of you mercy and protection, and to protect me. I'm on the way here. You have no idea, so okay, moon exposed. When I want to get zipo, akaga balofa. When a man and need inside the egu. That's the one number. God bless you.